can go a second to the board so I can just explain you a little bit how the assembly process has been designed.
Right now we're in Ulm, Germany at our joint venture partner Iveco. This represents the end of about a 12-month phase of design and testing and validation, and it's great to be here to see all the parts come together on the vehicles.
We can move to the first station. There is part of my team over there that will explain you some of the features that we have implemented in the testing line.
I think from the history of Iveco, right, that's a key part of Nikola's partnership with Iveco. Their long-standing history in the European market in heavy-duty trucks, now to have a renewing of that Ulm assembly plant that really is about the future. We're partnering with them to electrify those platforms and add fuel cell electric technology, really that are the future of zero emissions. So we're leveraging the legacy that is Iveco as a part of our partnership and moving forward together to see that zero emissions future come to life.
A lot of the guys are coming from the old truck production line, and they are quite excited. They have a lot of experience assembling trucks, and now as they see the new equipment, new technologies, this is very important to look also forward into the future. We invested a lot of money for these manipulators, also to allow the operator to assemble this front flap, this huge part, in an easy way. It's faster, it's also more safe. Yeah? It takes 2 minutes from starting to finish the cycle. Before, when we assembled it, it was at least 5 times as long.
Through NIKOLA, we get the speed in the project, and through the German engineering, we get this love for the detail in, yes? And then if you compare this speed and love for the detail, you have to have a really good product at the end.
Trucking is in a transformation. This transformation is not easy. This is for all the marbles. This is for our planet. Whether you're from Europe, whether you're German, whether you're Italian, whether you're male, whether you're female, we have people that are united around there's a better way to do this. We don't have a culture in NIKOLA that's been ingrained for decades. We have a culture of everybody bringing all of their background together and making something new. It is a hard problem to solve. If it were not a hard problem, it would already be solved. And you have to believe in the mission. You have to believe in your heart that this is a better way to do things.